Welcome you to customer. This video is designed for the customer have any connection issue connect to UniVerse server or UniData server. When you have some connection problem, you might want to know how to turn on UniRPC daemon log. When you two clients connect to UNIX, UniVerse, or UniData server, you might have some connection issue. You want to debugging it. So you want to turn on the UNIX UniRPC logging. So for UNIX RPC logging, we have a simple UNIX command to turn it on by add additional parameter called -D9. You also can, if you log in too much, so you want to reduce the logging, you might be changed to D1, -D3, and -D9. And you also need to specify the log folder and log file name, and that's just the general UNIX syntax command. After you make a connection, then immediately create a UniRPC daemon log. Then you have a lot of your connection, so you want to monitor the process for UniVerse. Here example, you will generate two processes for each connection. One is called UVCS, or another is UVAPI_slave process. So we can use this command to monitor. I will show you later. So here is the server, UNIX server. So inside here, you can see the command. I can try to see where am I. So first, you want to find out where's the UniRPC daemon. So basically, that's the command to see .unishare folder. So you can cd to on this machine is the /this1/unishared and cd to UniRPC. Inside this folder, you can see they have UniRPC daemon. Also, is one very important file called UniRPC services. If you're looking for this UniRPC services file, they have a lot of service defined on this machine. It include UO server, ODBC server, UniData server, UniVerse server. So a lot of process. And by default for UniVerse, you will create this process. But I create additional two process. I call UVCS_web. Set up the timeout. It's very short, 300 seconds. And I create another service name called UVCS_app. And I set up the very long timeout setting for different purpose. So how can we start it? So normally I want to stop the UniRPC daemon. So I can ps -ef unrpcd. So that's the process daemon running on this machine. So I can kill it. So I can kill this file in 9.8.3.80. So I kill this process. So after I kill it, I want to start the UniRPC daemon. It's the debugging mode. So here's current directory. I run unirpcd -d9. So command I can put where's the output. So if I put the temp folder, then unirpcd.log then commands %1 and running its background process. So immediately I start the UniRPC daemon process and put the log file in the /temp folder. So here I can looking for UNIRPCD log file. So I create it, UNIRPCD.log. So you start it, but no process connect to the server yet. So I make a connection server to make one connection from the client. Then I make another one from the another client. So I got the 2 connection. So if you look in the process inside the log file, you see you can see UNIRPCD.log file. So you will see the 2 process on this server now. So inside this, you can use in the ps command to looking the process. So here the command to find out where the process running. So using this the ps command, you can see for 2 connection, I connect to UVCS process, and actually I using another program to connect to this server. I using different one. If you're looking for this one, so I using UVCS underscore app. So I create actually is another process here. So this one, if you compare the parent process, you will see this connection. The parent is p for here it's pretty simple, but sometimes if you look at the username is the same, so you can compare this the parents, the process ID will be if you look at the slave, so this one it's this one process ID. This one is related to the process. You could look at the p1. Actually, this one and this one is pair process together. So for the connection part, when you make a connection, then the UniRPC daemon logging is not useful anymore. You need to, if you need to know additional the function request on the server side, you need to turn on called UO logging. There will be another step.